Once you have downloaded the PDF file, open it with a web browser or any PDF reader. When opened, you can click on the Monopoly Go sticker to customize your own, or you can click on Milburn penny bags to edit the wrap. We will start with making our own sticker. Drag and drop, or upload your own image. Resize it to fit inside, rounding the corners if needed. Make sure to position the layer at the bottom above the colored background. We have also added 2 extra layers that can be used as highlight or add depth if desired. These layers can also be colored by using the Edit and Color filters. For this sticker though, we are going to leave them transparent. You can also change the text to any saying you like, and also change the color, the font, and the size. When you have it looking the way you would like, click the Share button, and then download. Make sure to download the file as a PNG. Now let's get rid of the colored background. For this we will use Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative. Drag and drop your new sticker. We will use the Magic Eraser tool. Clicking on the colored background, and making sure to also remove the coloring in between the stars. Now save your new PNG file. Now that we have our sticker, return to the PDF file. We will click on Milburn penny bags so we can open the tumblerwrap template in Canva. Once opened, we will drag and drop or upload our new sticker PNG file. Resize and rotate the sticker to your liking. Position the sticker in the middle of the other layers. In this template, you can choose the city background and recolor it if you like. You can also recolor the background on the sticker's side. And recolor the stripe in the middle. Once you're finished making adjustments, click Share, then Download. You now have your own customized Monopoly Go tumbler wrap. Have fun!